morning.
Hello.
I hope you guys are well and having a good day so far. It's actually very early this morning. I think around 8. Is it 8 o'clock? I don't know.
Yeah, it should be around 8 now.
Right? About 8? Yeah, just after 8. I'm so excited yet scared at the same time because we are going to go Kelp forest snorkeling. That's where we're on our way to, out in Simonstown. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to feel about that.
Scared? Why are you scared?
I don't like seaweed. I'm not a seaweed person.
Is it the sliminess?
I think it's that. I think it's sliminess. I think it's I think it is the sliminess. I think it is just, I don't know, it's just like, it's creepy. It's like if someone made a horror movie, it would be,
I get what you mean.
you know?
I get what you mean. It's like, it's maybe also that factor of the unknown, like not necessarily knowing what's under the ocean, what's with you, and it's going to be it's both our first times going snorkeling now.
Yeah.
So it's going to be definitely an experience, and also something that, you know, I wouldn't say I'm sensitive about, but a bit nervous. A bit nervous, but it should be fun.
I'm looking forward to the swimming in the ocean part. I suppose it is the unknown. I think it's because someone chased me with seaweed when I was a child.
Ooh.
Perhaps. I don't know. Maybe there's, I don't know. But we'll see. I mean, I'm excited because it's something I haven't done before. And I think it's really cool. And I've heard great things about Cape RADD. So, yeah.
Cape RADD, obviously the guys that we're going to be doing the snorkeling experience with. So we're heading to Simonstown now, and that's where they've booked the Kelp forest snorkeling adventure for us. So yeah, we'll see you guys there.
Yeah, see you guys there. Let me just finish this personality juice between now and then.
So we've made it to the beach. Our snorkeling adventure is going to be happening very soon.
So excited.
So excited. And we'll obviously be bringing you
along the best we can.
Yeah. And let's see what is waiting for us under the ocean.
A little nervous, but yeah, I'm sure it will be awesome. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we're probably going to switch over to the GoPro. Yeah? And film as best we can, guys, because of course there's limitations with us going underwater and so forth, etc. So yeah, we'll do our best and hope you enjoy.
Absolutely.
The RADD in Cape RADD stands for Research and Diver Development. Cape RADD is a marine field station that serves as a platform for researchers in the False Bay area of Cape Town. They specialize in projects that monitor and investigate the biodiversity of a global hotspot home to more than 3,500 endemic marine species. The day venture we are going on today is a kelp forest snorkel experience where Cape RADD takes you on a fish and shark ID survey. Learn about the marine protected areas and how to identify fish and sharks within the False Bay marine coastal ecosystem. It is a beach entry, so no boat is required and the snorkeling is no more than 50 meters from the coast. This is their beginner level snorkeling experience, which is a great activity for families and people new to snorkeling. All the equipment you will need is provided by Cape RADD. The following is the footage we've captured during our first ever snorkeling experience.